Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to PM Weather. I am student meteorologist Alex Herbst. Taking a look at the Plymouth State webcam, we saw mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, which did give way to a little bit of sunshine towards the end of the day. We did see some snow showers throughout the morning and parts of the afternoon. Temperatures hung around the mid-20s, though our high today was actually set around midnight this morning with a high of 37 degrees. The low was at about 8 o'clock this morning, which was 24. Our normals for this time of year are 35 and 10, so we're not too far off of those. The records for this time of year, 58 degrees set back in 1984 and 1990, and 14 below set back in 1963. That is bitter cold. Taking a look at the sunset and sunrise for tomorrow, sunset today was about 5:29 p.m. Sunrise will be 6:32 a.m. tomorrow. Right now, we've got a 34% illuminated moon out over central New Hampshire. Current conditions as of 3:30 in Plymouth show a temperature of 26 degrees with a dew point around 8. Humidity is at 39% with winds out of the west at 13 miles an hour. Right now we're observing some mostly cloudy skies as seen by this icon right here. Pressure's at about 29.72 inches and steady, and visibility's for a good 10 miles. Temperatures around New Hampshire show 27 degrees in Laconia, 29 on Rochester, and 30 degrees on the coast in Portsmouth. Temperatures throughout New Hampshire hung around the mid to upper 20s today, with some areas along the seacoast reaching 30 degrees. Around New England and the Northeast, we saw temperatures range from 30 degrees in Portland, 34 in Boston, 35 in Providence, Rhode Island, even 26 degrees back here in Bennington, Vermont. Nationwide, we saw temperatures like 54 degrees over in Dallas, 59 degrees out in Santa Fe, New Mexico, 60 degrees up in Denver, Colorado, and 35 back in St. Louis, Missouri. Clouds were the real story for the day here in New Hampshire. Clouds covering most of the state of New Hampshire throughout the day today, with a few passing snow showers that could continue into tomorrow and even Wednesday. Clouds were also seen even in Maine, Vermont, New York, all over southern New England, even as far south as New Jersey and Pennsylvania. So most of the Northeast was under the cloud cover today, while out in the Midwest, where a high pressure currently sits over the Missouri Valley, we saw snow across parts of Iowa, Nebraska, and South Dakota. Those are accumulating to a dusting to maybe a couple of inches in some of those areas, and that snow will be moving to the east. Also, we have to the south right now some rain around Florida and in parts of Texas. That's a part of a cold front that is going to be exiting our picture overnight tonight. As you can see, that snow over the Midwest builds into the eastern Great Lakes, while a clipper system begins to dive down from Canada and could bring with it some snow. That's going to be the big story on Wednesday, is how much snow we get out of this clipper system that will be entering our picture. Right now, we're looking at some snow showers for Wednesday, but I'm thinking a dusting to maybe a trace of snow. Looking at our model run, we see that mostly clear skies during the early morning hours on Tuesday. Around 10 o'clock should be sunny, but still very cold outside. Some passing clouds and showers could be seen in the afternoon on Tuesday, and same goes on Wednesday as that snow comes in with that clipper system, as you can see, as it's right there off of the coastline of Massachusetts. Temperatures overnight tonight will be dropping down into the single digits and some teens into parts of central New Hampshire, 20s along the coast in southern New England. Those temperatures will be coming back up though, right around 20 degrees tomorrow, but wind chills will still be the story tomorrow. Wind chills could be down into the single digits, if not below zero, in some of the overnight hours. So looking at tonight's forecast, we're looking at a low of around 11 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Winds will be out of the west at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow we'll be looking at 20 degrees with partly cloudy skies. We could see a few snow showers during the day with winds out of the west at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And finally, on Tuesday night, we'll be looking at clouds building in as part of that clipper system enters our picture. We could see some early snow showers out of that storm before it gets to us on Wednesday. Expect a trace to maybe a dusting, I would say, for us here in central New Hampshire. With a low around 6 degrees, winds will be coming out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Overnight, and into the extended forecast, we look into Tuesday, mostly sunny skies, high around 20 degrees. Snow will be in the offing possibly on Wednesday and Thursday. Even on Saturday, we could be looking at a snow shower. The big story, though, still those temperatures. This bitter cold continues to sit over New Hampshire and much of the Northeast. Wind chills could still be down into the single digits as far as Friday, so you're definitely going to want to bundle up when you head outside to run those errands or when you're going to class here at Plymouth State University. 4 p.m. weather, I'm Alex Herbst. Have a great night.